Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to go over AWS Batch. For the exam, you just need to understand the service at a high level, meaning you just need to understand what the service is for. AWS Batch is a fully managed batch processing service from AWS. You develop your applications and services, and then you define what resources you need to run these apps and services. And then you let AWS Batch handle the rest. These applications will run in containers using Docker, and then you submit the containers to be run, and then Amazon will find where and how to run them. There is no cost to use AWS Batch. You only pay for the compute resources that are needed to run your workloads. The AWS Batch service handles the infrastructure, the scheduling, and management, and it's provided to you at no additional cost. AWS Batch will provision, manage, and scale your infrastructure to handle your workload needs. It's fully integrated with the other AWS services like S3 buckets. Now, AWS Batch is made up of jobs, which are a unit of work that is submitted by you, the AWS customer. The job definitions will specify how the jobs will be ran. Job queues are where the jobs reside until they are scheduled to be ran by the compute environment. And the compute environment is a set of managed or unmanaged compute resources that run the jobs. For example, let's say that you have raw files in the bucket A that need to be processed by your application running in a Docker container. Well, you connect your S3 bucket to the AWS Batch service, and you can configure the batch job to run based on when the files are scheduled to be uploaded. You will be able to run your workload on the batch service for analysis and pre-processing, basically cleaning the data and getting it ready. It goes through the queue, and they eventually come out the other end, clean and ready to be processed by your data analytics tools. Once that part is done, then they can be stored for your business department to view in bucket B. Again, you just need to understand the service at a high level. So if you understood this example, you should be fine for the exam. I'll see you in the next video.